What's up, guys? It's Tris. Today, I want to share tips that only one of leaders know and utilize, but are misunderstood or overlooked by the other 99. It's crucial to understand these valuable insights to become a leader who can truly grow with the team without being just another boss. This video is recommended for those who want to know what skills are required of a leader and want to focus on building a team. By taking the tips and tricks explained here, starting with those that you can do yourself and practicing them in your daily work, you will become a suitable leader. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to show some love by hitting that like button. Now, let's move on to Chapter 1. Chapter 1. What is a leader? In this chapter, I'll share 2 important points about what it truly means to be a leader. Point 1 focuses on the misconception that leaders need to possess extraordinary qualities. Contrary to popular belief, being a leader doesn't require inherent talent or greatness. It's simply a role within a team or organization. Many people shy away from leadership because they fear the added administrative work, lack of free time, and the burdensome responsibilities it brings. However, it's important to understand that leadership and management are distinct concepts. Leaders assess changes and set a vision, while managers focus on achieving goals and managing people. In reality, individuals often possess both leadership and management abilities, which can lead to misunderstandings. Moving on to point 2, the abilities required of leaders. According to John Cotter's definition, a leader identifies changes, presents a vision, and motivates others to work towards that vision. It might sound daunting, but let's consider it from a different perspective. Imagine you're preparing a delicious family dinner tonight. You coordinate with each family member, negotiate timings, and even prepare persuasive materials to convince everyone. If you succeed in doing this, congratulations! You've demonstrated leadership skills, and the good news is, these abilities are not limited to special circumstances. Many people possess leadership skills without even realizing it in their daily lives and work. So how can you learn and improve your leadership skills? Like any other knowledge or skill, leadership abilities are acquired through study and practice. I'll share more tips later, but it's essential to put them into action. Rigorous training or extraordinary talent is not necessary. All you need is an honest attitude and the determination to keep practicing. So what's your leadership style? Do you see yourself more as a manager or a leader? Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's move on to Chapter 2, Tips for Selecting Members. In this chapter, I'll discuss 2 important points about selecting the right team members. Point 1 emphasizes the leader's role in building a well-balanced team. While it's tempting to assemble a dream team with individuals who have impressive track records, it's crucial to focus on creating a team with diverse skill sets. Drawing a parallel to baseball, it's not wise to gather too many cleanup hitters and ace pitchers. Such a team would encounter constant problems. Highly experienced individuals may prefer working independently and might not support others effectively. It's important to identify various leadership characteristics, such as those who lead, analyze situations, specialize in specific fields, and offer support. The purpose of a team is to leverage the abilities that individuals lack individually, accomplishing tasks that cannot be done alone. As a leader, it's counterproductive to expect every member to excel in every aspect. Instead, gather individuals who are more capable than you and treat them with respect as professionals. Encourage a learning environment where everyone can teach and learn from one another. Although it might require courage, aiming to be the best in all areas as a leader will hinder the team's overall goals. As a leader, it's your responsibility to create an environment that allows individuals better than yourself to thrive. Moving forward, let's explore additional tips and strategies to enhance your leadership skills. These tips are practical and can be implemented in your daily life and work to become an effective leader. Chapter 3. The Power of Communication. In this chapter, we'll delve into the power of communication and how it impacts your effectiveness as a leader. Effective communication is the foundation of successful leadership, enabling you to convey your vision, motivate your team, and resolve conflicts. Point 1. Listening and empathy. One of the most vital aspects of communication is active listening. As a leader, it's essential to genuinely listen to your team members, understanding their perspectives, concerns, and ideas. Active listening involves giving your full attention, maintaining eye contact, and acknowledging their thoughts and feelings. Empathy goes hand in hand with listening. Put yourself in your team members' shoes and strive to understand their experiences and emotion. This empathy will foster trust and create a safe space for open communication within the team. Point 2. Clarity and transparency. Clear and concise communication is key to conveying your vision and goals effectively. Ambiguity leads to confusion, which can hinder progress and teamwork. Take the time to articulate your ideas clearly, using simple and understandable language. Avoid jargon or technical terms that may alienate team members who are not familiar with them. Transparency is also crucial for building trust and credibility. Share relevant information with your team, including the reasoning behind decisions and any changes in plans. Openness and honesty create a sense of inclusion and foster a collaborative environment. Chapter 4. Building Trust and Collaboration. In this chapter, we'll explore the importance of trust and collaboration within a team. Trust is the cornerstone of effective teamwork, and as a leader, it's your responsibility to cultivate a culture of trust and collaboration. Point 1. Lead by example. Leadership by example is a powerful way to establish trust and inspire your team. Show integrity, consistency, and accountability in your actions. Be willing to roll up your sleeves and work alongside your team members, demonstrating your commitment and dedication. Encourage a collaborative atmosphere where everyone's ideas are valued. Foster a sense of ownership and empowerment, allowing team members to contribute their unique perspectives and skills. Recognize and appreciate their contributions, creating a positive and supportive work environment. Point 2. Conflict resolution. Conflict is inevitable within any team, but it's how conflicts are managed that determines the team's success. As a leader, it's important to address conflicts promptly and constructively. Act as a mediator, facilitating open dialogue and ensuring that all parties feel heard and understood. Encourage a problem-solving approach, focusing on finding common ground and mutually beneficial solutions. Emphasize the importance of respectful communication and compromise. By handling conflicts effectively, you'll foster a stronger team bond and enhance productivity. Chapter 5. Continuous growth and learning. In this final chapter, we'll discuss the importance of continuous growth and learning as a leader. Effective leaders never stop developing their skills and knowledge. Point 1. Personal development. Invest in your own personal development by seeking out opportunities to learn and grow. Attend workshops, conferences, or seminars related to leadership. Engage in self-reflection and seek feedback from your team, members, mentors, or peers. Constantly challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone and embrace new experiences. Point 2. Mentorship and coaching. As a leader, you have the opportunity to mentor and coach your team members. Support their growth and development by providing guidance and constructive feedback. Encourage them to set goals and provide the necessary resources and support to help them achieve those goals. By investing in their growth, you'll create a more skilled and motivated team. In conclusion, becoming an effective leader is within your reach. By understanding the misconceptions about leadership, focusing on building a balanced team, mastering communication, fostering trust and collaboration, and embracing continuous growth. You'll be on your way to becoming an exceptional leader. Thank you for watching. I upload a useful video every day to improve your life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. As always, take care, and I'm excited to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.